Hi, Jeff Hale here with Halo Ink. Today we're going to go over swapping out the little ID chips or chip cards on Mutoh ink cartridges. Mutoh likes to change manufacturers of ink every once in a while, and when they do that, the new chip cards tend not to always work the way they're supposed to. So there's still plenty of ink in this cartridge, yet the card is reading that it's empty. So we're going to swap it out. This is the cyan cartridge. We have on here the Value Jet MS Ink 3A Cyan 440, so it's the same chipset that we need for this. And best way I've learned to do these, because if you get it out of alignment at all, then what happens is the chip still doesn't read and you just wasted the card. So the way I've learned is to take a knife and we're just going to cut along the one side of the card, and then we're going to cut along the other side of the card, and take this card that's currently on here, and we're going to just flip it straight up, make a hinge out of it. You'll see there's already a self-adhesive on here. We pull that adhesive off of there, just make sure we're at the same direction, and we can just use this area right here as a jig. Slap it down in there, get rid of the old card, and we're all set. That's how you swap out an ink card.